Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for latest videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel CreativeQueen. I have a huge announcement for you guys. We recently bought a car and finally my husband bought me a car, and it's actually my own car. I just want to introduce you to this little baby of mine. So I'm really excited. So in this video I'm going to share with you 10 useful tips how you can organize your car, and definitely you're going to love these absolutely. And before that, subscribe to my channel and give it a big thumbs up if you want to see more organizing videos. So let's get straight into the video.
As you guys can see, this is the before shot of my car seats, how they used to look. I personally found them really boring and kind of outdated, so I decided to have them like covered with car seats cover. And I think after I did it, you guys can see in a minute how beautiful the whole thing looks, and it looks completely transformed. So the car seat cover comes in this kind of packaging. I chose this color because it looks really amazing in my car, and I personally really love the Chinese dragon. And yeah, as you guys can see, this whole new look, it just gives your car a really fresh look and like really modern, very trendy. And yeah, I'm absolutely in love with this. If you compare the before and after, you can have a look yourself how they really both look completely different.
Hey guys, the next one is really useful, is to have rubber mats in your car so that when you are driving it's actually non-slip, and it really helps to get all the dirt, and whenever you want to wash them, just take them out and that's it. It's really easy to keep everything neat and tidy.
So the next hack, guys, is this humidifier. As you guys can see, it's really awesome. It simply plug it into this whole electric hole in there, and you can just open it from here and then add your essential oils, and that's it. Whenever you drive, it leaves a really nice mist from here, and your car is gonna smell amazing. I absolutely love this one so much. And I also keep this essential oil. Focus. Yeah. So I keep this essential oil in the car at all times, and whenever I feel like this needs a little bit more refill, I simply turn it open and then just put few drops, like about 5 to 10 drops of essential oil in it, and then that's it. Enjoy the fragrance. So the next one, guys, is this little chewing gum bottle. What I do is I've taken out the extra packaging from it, the outer packaging, and I put all my change in here, as you guys can see. And it's really useful to have. One second, I'm just recording with my right hand, so it's a little bit shaky. Ignore this bit. So yeah, this is actually a really useful hack. If you have spare change, just put it inside and there you go. Ta-da!
So guys, the next hack is very useful. It's to have a first aid kit in your car. Guys, you never know whenever you need a first aid kit, but you should always have it in your car regardless anyway. And I put it always just at the side of the on the side door of the car, so I can always have it handy whenever I need to. Guys, the next hack is to have this really useful tissue holder. All you need to do is just clip it up here on this thing, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You can open it up, fill all your tissues, and all you need to do is just pull the tissues like that. It's actually really straightforward. So there's another useful tip, guys, is to have a disinfectant spray. What you can do is spray a little bit on the microfiber cloth and then just simply wipe the car surface, or you can also spray a little bit on this cleaning cloth. I don't know what this is called actually, and then simply just clean your car like that. It's really easy, and once you're finished, just store everything nicely at the door here or wherever you want. Also kept here some hand sanitizer just in case, and over here, one second, I've also got some extra masks, face masks, just in case I'm traveling somewhere and I need them just like emergency or something. On the left side door I've got some chewing gum, some wet wipes whenever I need them, and another like a CD, DVD, like not DVD in the car, like a CD organizer. Whenever I'm listening to music, it keeps all my CDs nicely here and I don't lose them. Actually left this bit empty here intentionally because, guys, I think if you overfill your car really like with all the kind of stuff, it just makes your life so much complicated, and whenever you need something you're not gonna find it. So my tip to you guys is to have only the stuff you really are going to use. Okay guys, so the next one I just want to show you our boot. This is the car of my husband, and as you guys can see, the boot is really messy and I really wanted to tackle this. So for this I'm gonna be using this organizer, boot organizer, which I'm gonna show you in a bit. So guys, this is the organizer I'm gonna be using. It's like a car boot organizer, and it's also, as you guys can see, it's totally collapsible, and it also has like these things on the side where you can just easily hold it together. It's got nice dividers. So yeah, let's get on and fill this up. So guys, as you can see, this is the after shot, and I really love the outcome of how everything's just neatly organized. I've put some ice scrapers here on the side of the organizer, and over here I've got some screen wash, some reusable bags, some first aid kit, and some jump leads, my husband's gloves, and yeah, some extra stuff. But guys, look how neat it looks overall, and I'm really pleased. Always have some spare blankets, because you never really know when you can need them, and yeah, it will be really handy. So thank you so much for watching until the end, guys. I really hope you found all these 10 tips useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to join the family, and also share it with your friends and family so they can benefit from all these useful videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.